The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
I've been going through a really difficult time in my life. And to be honest with you, this has been maybe one of the most difficult times that I've had to endure. Right? But I also promised myself, my family, and my fans that I would never speak on the previous situation that has taken place in my life. I addressed it once, and I promised myself that I would never address it again. And that's exactly what I planned on never doing. But when my life is being threatened, I have no choice but to come and talk about the situation. Because I'm not the person who walks around starting trouble. I'm not the type of person that, wish bad on anybody. I'm not the type of person that seeks problems with anybody. Right? But when you threaten my life and you threaten my kid's life, that's where things get serious at. That's where things get serious at. When you start mentioning that you know where I reside, which is where my kids reside as well. When you start putting that in danger, I gotta speak on that situation. And the only reason why I came on Instagram to talk about it is because I want it to be documented. I want it to be documented because I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this post up. Don't worry about the police, because every corner and every rock has been turned. You understand what I'm saying? The necessary actions that I have to take for death threats and people giving out my address and stuff like that has been done already. I just got back in the house. I just did what I had to do and report what I had to report so that I'm secure with what the actions need to be. Now, and I'm not going to make this a long live because, like I said, I just want to document that this is what's being done. And I'm not going to call any names either, because I'm never going to give you that satisfaction. I'm never going to give you that satisfaction, and I'm never going to call your name because you are fame and a clout chaser. And that's all you want. That's all you want, is for me to call your name and for me to shed some light on the little thing that you are. But I will say this to you. You won the battle. You won the battle. You won. You got your girl back. You won. You got your girl back, bro. You got your girl back. The girl when you was 30 years old and you was having sex with her at 15, the girl that you manipulated and made her your sex slave, and you got her back. You got her back. So why are you still calling up my name? Why are you still making me a topic in your world? You won. You won. You won. You got her back. Why is my name still being called up and I'm being threatened and I'm being ridiculed and all? Why is that still happening? I backed up and let y'all do y'all. Because you and I both know where them tapes is coming from. We both know. We both know where it's coming from. You see, you can manipulate those people, but you ain't gonna never manipulate me. Never. Never. You understand what I'm saying? But I just want to know, why is my name still being called up? That's all I want to know. Why is my name being called up? Why? You won the battle, fam. You got your sex slave back. You doing what you do. Y'all having a good time. I'm happy for y'all. I'm to be 100% transparent. I'm happy for y'all. I'm happy for y'all. On some real, I'm happy for y'all. I'm glad y'all found y'all way back to each other. I'm glad y'all found y'all way. With all the manipulation and all of that going on, it's cool. It's cool. But when you threaten where my kids reside at, when you threaten that, because to be honest with you, the only person that really got much to lose in this situation is me. So I gotta take the necessary precautions to deal with it. So like I said, I'm not on here for no validation from nobody. I'm not on here for sympathy from nobody. I'm here to document what I'm talking about. That's what I'm here for. That and that purpose only. That and that purpose only. That's the only reason why I'm on live right now. Just to document what I just had to take care of and document within other places. You get what I'm saying? But I'm happy for y'all. So why not leave me and my children alone? That's all I'm asking. Leave me and my children alone. They went through enough. They went through enough. They've been through enough. They've seen enough. They've been through enough. They deserve peace right now. They deserve peace. So why is my name still coming up? It's a simple question. You text me. You jumped in my DM. Yo, I don't wish this on nobody, fam. And if you think I have anything to do with this, then pardon me and all that you said. And I said, bless up. Even though you responsible for helping fuck up my relationship and my family, I still said bless up, because that's the type of person I am. I don't wish bad on nobody, because whatever is due to you, God is in control of that. God is in control of all of that. So I'm not wishing bad on you or nobody else. So why a whole 2 months pass? The situation is basically within courts and all of that other stuff, and I'm still hearing my name in the streets. Now y'all want it to go from social media. Now y'all want the bacchanal and all the comments and all of that. Y'all want it to go from social media to the streets. I don't want no beef with nobody. I don't want no beef with nobody. I don't need no problems with nobody because like I said, I got a career. I got shit to lose. I got a family. I got my kids. That's the most important thing to me. You understand what I'm saying? I don't want no problems with nobody. Y'all won. Y'all got what y'all want back. You got your old thing back, bro. So why is you calling up my name on platforms and why for what? For what? Every day I get up, it's a new story. A bunch of lies and a bunch of shit that, oh, he called this one and he said this and he said that. Like, bro, I have no purpose in life to talk about you or anybody else surrounded around you. I have no reason in life to mention your name within my space. So you good, bro. You got your sex slave back. Do your thing and leave me alone and my family alone. It's that simple. Leave me and my kids alone. That's all I'm asking. I don't want no beef with nobody. I don't want no problems with nobody. I don't want no stress from nobody. I'm good. I'm chilling. So please, I'm just begging, just leave me alone, please. You won, you did your thing, you got her back. I'm proud and I'm happy for y'all. Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone. It's that simple. I'm not talking about y'all. I'm not conversing with y'all. I'm not reaching out to nobody. I'm not, none of that. It's that simple. And like I said, shout out to everybody who knows me and is in my corner. I see you. I see what y'all saying and I see y'all comments. But this needs to happen. This needs to happen because I'm tired. I'm drained. I'm tired. You understand what I'm saying? I'm tired of this. I'm tired. I had enough.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, threats is something that I don't take for a joke. See me? No. And I don't think anyone should take any form of threats for a joke, especially if the threat is life-threatening. You see me I say? Anytime someone says something to you that make you feel uncomfortable towards something, or if someone threatens your life, I think it is best for you to let someone know what's going on and or report it to the necessary authorities. You see me I said to you? Yeah, you can report it to the police depending on how serious the threats are considered to be. You see me I said to you? You see me? So remember that, you know, do not take threats for a joke, especially if the threat is life-threatening. You see me? Alright, I just presented to you a video that shows a person who goes by the name of Majah Hype, and he said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he had received threats or threat. You see me? And according to some of the things that he had said, I get the understanding that he's saying that he's concerned about his life and his children's life, or should I say children's lives. You see me? Yeah, according to some things that he had said, I get the understanding that he said that he's concerned about his life and his children's lives. You see? So viewers and subscribers, you know, the video I presented to you is just a piece of an entire video that's out on social media. You see me? So there might be more things said in the video that is out there on social media. You see me? And in my point of view, it didn't really and truly expose certain things more than he's trying to let the whole threat thing be known. You understand? And he talked about the situation and what he had done and so on. So anyways, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.